If you already have an audience, then these tricks will work even better. The first is using the YouTube live redirect feature. The big secret with that is you don't have to just send a raid of your viewers to another channel or another stream. You can actually send a raid of your own viewers to your own content to boost impressions. Giving yourself a raid is allowed on YouTube because it gives you the option for your own video premieres and live stream. Video premieres and live streams have the same capabilities on YouTube. So when one of them finishes, you can just send all your viewers right back into your own content. This tells the algorithm that a bunch of people have suddenly visited a video and thus gives you more impressions.
What happens when you raid your own video? YouTube decides that 2,000 people suddenly arrived here, virality has occurred. So we must give impressions with this lovely graph here. We can make ourselves impressions by raiding into ourselves. Now, YouTube just didn't give some extra impressions. YouTube gave 549,000 impressions.
I do want to mention that disliking a video is basically useless now and does nothing to negatively impact the growth of your videos. But you know what else doesn't? Unliking a video. If a large number of people unlike your video and then re-like your video, this tells the algorithm that, hey, a bunch of people have suddenly liked this video and gives you more impressions.
What you're going to do, chat, is you're all just going to remove your like from the video. That's all you have to do. Just simply remove the like. I can now say, livestream chat, give the stream a like in 3, 2, 1, like the stream. YouTube goes, oh my goodness, virality is occurring. We might want to push this video a little bit more. We get more of those lovely impressions that we're aiming for.
Now, there's a lot of shady websites out there where you can just buy bots and then they'll quickly go like a video for you, but the algorithm is much smarter these days and can detect who is a real person and who is a bot. Just not so much yet in the YouTube comments. What about the 30-second mark? YouTube analytics show you this interesting or demoralizing graph depending on how well your videos are performing. And this shows you exactly how many people are watching your video within 30 seconds or longer into it. The algorithm looks at the first 30 seconds of a YouTube video and then decides whether or not it's going to send it out to more people. So if your retention graph looks like this, you need to start thinking about how you can improve your next video's intro. But for a YouTube video, they only look at the first 30 seconds at the beginning. But for a YouTube live stream, that 30-second mark begins whenever you start watching the live stream. So if you leave the stream and then come back, you can actually reset this clock and jump your retention rate to over 100%, which you may have already noticed if you uploaded a YouTube short before and it performed well.
What is the first 30-second mark? On a video, it's just the first 30 seconds. But on a live stream, the first 30-second mark is the first 30 seconds you were watching the stream for. It basically means if you were to leave the stream and come back, the clock resets. We're all going to refresh our pages. If we were to all do it, we would then see that around about 200% of viewers were watching past the first 30-second mark, which isn't scientifically possible.
Have you ever seen these upcoming videos that pop up in your recommended or your subscription feed on YouTube? You can actually schedule a video or a live stream and take up that precious real estate on somebody else's feed for a video that they can't even watch yet. But very similar to how YouTube will keep recommending a live stream as long as that person stays live, they'll do the same thing for a video premiere if you just keep delaying the scheduled content. You can freely change the date and time of this scheduled stream or video premiere anytime you want, even leading up to the point that it's supposed to drop. But you could just keep pushing this back, theoretically, and just get it recommended for a longer period of time. Think of it as edging, but with YouTube content. While most of these tricks do involve live streaming with your channel, there's a few more secrets for uploads that can really turn your channel around. You can find them right here on the cat and completely revive your viewership. What are you doing? Stop it.